Hey there, YouTubers and viewers. Welcome to the McGuire Life. I am filming a review video for you guys. And if you have not found my channel, it is called The McGuire Life. Feel free to subscribe and click the bell to enable post notifications. And I hope you stick around and watch all my videos, and including this video. Okay, this is my lightning cable adapter. You can plug in your HDMI cable into the HDMI port on this adapter, and you can plug in your lightning cable to this adapter. And it's as well, this adapter here is a extender. And I am plugging in the lightning cable into this adapter. Okay. And you can charge your iPhone and your iPod and iPad with this extender. And what this adapter can do, it will be able to mirror the image on your iPhone to your HD TV, so you can watch YouTube on your TV, and you can surf the web on your TV. I highly recommend the Apple lightning cable adapter extender. And it's very helpful for me to mirror my iPhone onto my TV to enlarge my iPhone display. You know, I am legally blind in both eyes, and that really helps me to see what's on my iPhone a whole lot better when it's on my TV. And I am not filming the show right now. Don't want no copyright. This is a Apex TV and I have a review video on that TV in the video section below. You want to go check that out. And I highly suggest you to purchase the Apple Lightning cable adapter for your TV, and I give it a 5 out of 5 stars. It's a little bit pricey. It's worth it. Totally worth it. So you can entertain your friends when they come over to your house, or you go over to their house and entertain them. And I have 1,229 subscribers, and hopefully I will get more subscribers. I will be uploading this video tonight for you guys, and if you are new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. Just leave a comment down below that you're new, and I will be glad to welcome you with a comment reply, and hopefully you'll stick around for more videos and future videos. And if you like more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, God loves you. God accepts you for who you are. I love you, and I accept you the way you are. Be yourself. And God bless you. And thanks for watching.